Okay, good morning.
It's almost afternoon.
Almost afternoon. We decided to go take a ride today because it's the first nice day that we've had in a while. And yeah, we're going to explore Kinglake a little bit. I think this is it. Oh. Preoccupied with other things. So this is a good opportunity to break in my tyres. My new tyres. Had the Tractionator Adventure front and rear previously. Did about 10,500 Ks on it. And now I've got the Adventure at the back again and the new Dual Venture at the front. Look at the view.
Oh, wow. A bit,
Whoop.
Yo.
Whoa.
I freaking. Woo. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Oh, I want to take a. Oh, I don't have my new phone. Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, my bike is struggling with these, what do you call it?
The corrugations.
Yeah. There's a car coming, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey.
Look at the city.
Oh, I wonder, can you take with your phone a photo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay. Oh, it's not too bad. Do you want to go in front? Oh.
What? Ooh. Ooh.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I literally gave like a jump because I knew the bike is following me.
Will you be able to go up?
Not sure.
Okay.
It's a bit slippery.
Yeah.
Oh, man. What the fuck? I have it. don't. Can you reverse me? Just a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Whoopsie. Ugh. Ugh. Short legs. Okay, wait, I'm reversing. I'm just gonna go in the right.
Yeah.
For till I can get out of it.
Yeah.
I have no grip. How do I get out of this now? Without falling. I'm sorry, I'm making such a fool out of myself. So, getting in the way. So you say no for my front wheel?
Yeah, so you need to come back and do it with momentum, otherwise you won't be able to.
Momentum has been... Oy. I can't see.
Yeah, I don't...
Clear.
Go.
Oh, wait. I'm waiting. I'm getting tired. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. What the hell? You would never expect it to be that slippery. Oh. Gee whiskers. It looked like it was my first time. It felt like the first time I'm on my bike. Oy. I'm just having a shit day. I have it. Or did my legs get shorter overnight? What the is going on? Huh? Like... Oy, oy, oy. Normally, if I watch our videos and I absolutely cringe hearing myself after I fell telling you, I'm fine, and don't rush. Like, yeah, I don't know, like I just hate it when I do it, but looking at you after I fall or drop my bike, I've only now realized why I go on about it like I do. It's because you really just want to get off your bike as fast as possible. And normally I'm looking at you, but no one else will, like you recording. So
Yeah.
and you just trying your best to get off the bike. So that's why I normally say, oh, I'm fine. But yeah, if I look at the videos, I hate it when I do it, but I can't help it.
Yeah.
I just look at you and how you're rushing. Even though you can freaking see I'm fine,
Yeah.
like I'm standing next to my bike.
Oh, slippery.
I guess looking at you makes me say, yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess I'm having a bad bike day.
That's okay.
Oh, I freaking hate it.
You can't have a perfect day every day.
When do I ever have a perfect day? Never. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, I just need to figure out what this thing wants us to do. Really? I don't think so.
What?
Let me go have a look.
Which?
Nah, there's no way.
Yeah, no. I can see it.
Well,
You can give it a go and I'll wait for you, but I want to keep you on camera first. Oh, okay. Oh. But, oh, struggling. Okay. Just get a safe spot. Okay.
go.
Ja.
Wait. Oh. Come on.
No grip. There's a car or a bike or
Something up there. Yeah.
yes. Aren't you tired?
Nah, it's not.
Yes, stop. There's smoke coming out of your tires. There's literal smoke coming out of your tires.
Yeah, it will do that.
Yes, stop.
Well, it's going to be very difficult to turn around here, so it's better to try and go up.
Should I come and push?
I don't know.
Oh, come on.
I think somebody's camping up here. Come on.
I'm coming. Whoa. Slippery. How about... Whoa, how did you get up that? Gee whiz. Whoa, it is super slippery. How about I sit on your bike?
Not a good idea. Not a good idea.
Not?
No.
Okay. Let me just catch my breath, and then I'll give you a push.
Okay.
But how dirty am I going to be after that?
That's why I think it's not a good idea. Just stand there and... Yeah, I'll... Ooh. Hold on.
Okay, so what do I need to do? Nothing.
Yeah. I just need some momentum. Okay, I think I can get some momentum from here.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Distance. Ish. Near. Where shit bikes?
Oh, shit, sorry. Sorry. Wow. Okay, so I'm on your way. I can get from now. Okay, so.
Sorry about that.
Were you bellied out on the wrap on the?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I lost my momentum and then, yeah, couldn't go up all the way.
Oh well, you made it. That's amazing.
Yeah. Okay, now for down.
Yep. We're going to get some lunch.
See ya.
Okay, gonna start making my descent.
Okay.
This bike
Yeah.
change lanes.
Show what?
This change lanes
Yeah.
in this terrain. Like how?
Oh, dirt bikes. That's
Oh, and skilled riders, but like it blows my mind.
That was fun.
Well, your brand new tyre is exactly not the
They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I tell myself that everything
Speed
will
racer.
end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like.
Looks like you're taking that corner with speed. came to Blairs Hut and found no hut, but we did. There's a toilet, I guess that's the hut.
I just quickly wanna. Oh, yo, my fingers is so freaking cold. I'm really so cold. Can you maybe do my box faster?
Yeah.
Okay, but remember, okay, Bach. Okay, yes, now I'm stable. Just don't hurt yourself.
While you're down,
Yeah, that's
they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding when I'm bruising. And when they finally make you broken, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
It's like a little wee.
A little wee. Whoa.
Holy.
Okay. I think that was the end of it. Now it's just going home.
Fucking freeze.
Oh, Dolphus.